good morning, Dr. Derek Mellis, for a nice presentation on canine rehab and sports medicine in canine practice. If you see the present scenario in the India, so we are not familiar with all these practices because the owners are very reluctant to treat such type of cases at the university or college level. So it's entirely new chapter or the topic for us. So, good morning, Dr. Daryl Mellis. Good evening, Dr. M.V. Dumar sir, Associate Dean of the College, Dr. A.H. Ullemale, and Dr. G.S. Khandekar sir for participation of this present webinar. So, it is a matter of honor for me that organizing committee has given me an opportunity to express vote of thanks on this occasion. First and foremost, I express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Colonel Professor Dr. M. Patorkar sir. He is a Vice Chancellor of Maharashtra Animal Fishery Sciences University Nagpur for permitting us to organize the international webinar in a short time dogmatically. So on behalf of Krantishri Rana Patil College of Veterinary Science, Sirwal and Maharashtra University, I would like to extend my special thanks to Dr. Daryl Millis, Professor of Orthopedic Surgery, Director, CARES Center for Veterinary Sports Medicine, College of Veterinary Medicine, University of Tennis, for sharing the nice lecture on canine rehab and sports medicine in a very simplified and practically oriented ways. So this topic is absolutely new for all of us in canine practice, especially in the India. On behalf of KNP family, I request Dr. Daryl Millis to schedule another or one more lecture in the next or coming months or days, and hopefully he will agree with us. Thank you, Dr. Uh, Daryl. I also express my sincere thanks to the respected Dr. P.T. Zadav, Director of Extension, Dr. A.P. Sumkor sir. He is a DA and Dean Faculty of MAPSU. Dr. N.V. Kurkure sir, Director of Research, Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University Nagpur, for their constant encouragement and support for organizing this said webinar. Apart from these things, I would like to thanks our beloved associate dean of the college, Dr. M.V. Dumar sir, for his strong support, valuable guidance, and motivation for organizing the webinar. I also express my sincere thanks to Dr. A.H. Ullemale, head of the department, Krantishri Rana Patel Shirwa Veterinary College, who always stand behind us as a backbone, and he always inspire us for organizing such a national and international events at college as well as university level. I am grateful to Dr. G.S. Khandekar sir. He is a professor of surgery at Bombay Veterinary College, Mumbai, for inviting the speaker and supporting us to organize the webinar at Krantishri Rana Patil, College of Veterinary Science at Sirwan. I take this opportunity to put on record that amid COVID-19 lockdown situation worldwide, so this educational webinar as a part of continuous veterinary education in India had more than 2,367 plus participants from the almost all veterinary colleges across the country as well as internationally, which I would say history it's in its own. And at last but not the least, hearty congratulations to Dr. Shalaka Salvekar and Dr. Arvind Chauhan sir for their untiring efforts for making this international webinar a grand success. My sincere thanks to all the participants for their patience hearing, fruitful interaction, asking good questions to the speaker, and making this event more successful. So I am very much thankful to the distinguishing faculty member of the Krantishri Rana Patil College of Veterinary Science, Sirwal, and other colleges from the different veterinary university across the countries. and Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University, Nagpur, for their kind support and giving wide publicity of this webinar across the countries and in other ways or channel. Thank you once again to all of you, and thank you, Dr. Malins, for giving nice lecture on the canine rehab and sports medicine. Thank you.
Thank you very much.